So hello guys, I am planning this. Yeah. So let's make a YouTube right now. I am planning pa. So just today, a few minutes. My mom is Pluto America riding with a bike. Yeah, just kidding. Okay, I'm already outside in my house. So there you go. I will explore you to my place so that you can know what
Very
it
good
is.
in
So
English.
there you go. So there you go, guys. We have a lot. We have farm over there. Over there, we have farm there. And these are my dog. That's the silver retriever and the bulldog. Yeah. Nah, just kidding. That's our neighbor. So, oh, this is nice here, man. It's so refreshing. Like I don't even know. Yeah, did you remember this, guys? No, 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 no. So today I will going to my farm right now. So this is the piggery over there, and we have another second piggery over there. Just I don't want to go there because there's a lot of dogs. So behind the scenes, this is the farm. Yeah. Wait. I will go over there so that. Yeah, there we go. We are it's stranded in Amailos eh. There you go there. We wait, I can't go cross over there because it's so baha. So this is we got a lot of nice view there. So let's go to the other side. Look. Oh, I almost get lost with it. Oh, there you go. Hello there, silver retriever. This is my silver retriever, man. And there we go. We are back here. So this is our eggplant, man. The eggplant. Look at that one, man. No. Oh yeah, that's nice, man. So this is the piggery. It's covered because they are cold, and then no, it's hot today, but they're cold. I don't know. This is the they call that absta sambag. Yeah. Okay, following. And there we go here. Yeah. And we are sitting here in our small bahay kubo, man. So, I am here in our small bahay kubo. It's so hot outside. I want to go there, but it's too hot. So, let's just over here. Yeah, let's just stand by here. Now, look at me right now. I am already in top of the tree. So, I don't know how to go down now because my tablet is in my hand and I'm struggling going down. I don't know what to do. Wait, let me call some help.